Okay, we're going to solve the exponential equation 7 raised to the 4x minus 6 power equals 1 over 49. Before we do that, focus over here for this if-then statement. If a raised to the x power equals a raised to the y power, then we know that x equals y. All this is saying is if the base number that you're raising to a power is the same on both sides, then you can set the exponents equal to one another. That's our goal in this problem. Our base on the left side is 7. The base on the right side is 1 over 49. What I do hope you recognize is we can rewrite the right-hand side. First, I'm going to rewrite the left-hand side down here at the bottom. The right-hand side should recognize that 49 is just 7 squared. So we can rewrite this as 1 over 7 squared. So we're getting close to this if-then statement, but we're not quite there yet because we have a 7 here and we have a 1/7 over here. We can get that base the same applying the negative exponent rule. We can take this 7, take the reciprocal of it, but when we do that, it becomes -2. If you have trouble with the negative exponents, I would encourage you to play around with this in the calculator just a little bit, just to verify. 7, if we take 7 and we raise it to the -2 power, we get 0.0204. Well, if you take 1 and divide it by 49, you get that same decimal. So we've just rewritten 1 over 49 in a different format so that it has a base of 7. So now the hard part is finished. Since the bases are equal in this problem, 7 and a 7, we can go straight to the then part of this statement and set our exponents equal to one another. So we can set 4x minus 6 equal to -2. As always, I did not plan my spacing well, so I moved it to the right-hand side. Now we're going to add 6 to both sides. -6 plus 6 is 0, so it cancels out. -2 plus 6 is 4. And then finally, we're going to divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is just 1. So we're left with 1x on the left side. 4 divided by 4 is also 1. So x equals 1. Of course, we could also work this question backwards. If you find yourself and you just cannot remember how to solve this the algebraic way, we can go through and check this. So if we go back to the original problem, erase these, and we take 7, exponent button above the division symbol, left parenthesis, and instead of writing 4x minus 6, we're going to write 4 times 1 minus 6. Close the parenthesis, and we get that same decimal from earlier. We know from earlier, 0.02, that's the same thing as 1 out of 49. So don't be afraid to work multiple choice questions like this backwards.